So it's April the 1st and it's day one of my new 30-day challenge, which is a running accumulator. I'm going to run today just 1 kilometre and then tomorrow 2 kilometres, etc, etc. So the thinking is by the end of the month I'll have done, my maths escapes me, but it's 460 something kilometres I think. Anyway, that's the plan. But as you know, I've got duff knees, so we'll see how the knees hold out. But tonight, beautiful. Cold, but beautiful. So I'll just mosey down the hill and then back up again. Whoops. Day 2. 2 kilometres today. It's colder, more grey, more windy. Still fun though. Nice to be out. Day 3 of the April accumulator. And the weather's picked up again. Still quite cold in the air, but beautiful day. So, what's the deal with this thing? So, every day I do an extra kilometre. You have to run the number of kilometres the same as the date. So today's the 3rd, I'm running 3k. Left leg's feeling a bit tight. That's my bad leg. After having done hardly any kilometres at all, it's starting to tighten up. So I was on the foam roller last night. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Might not be all that good. But that's what we're doing. So today, a bit down here, turn around, head back. Good times. So far, I'll keep going backwards and forwards down the same bit of hill. And that's deliberate. The idea, if I ever pull it off, if my leg stands up to it, is to keep running the same way. But as the distance builds, I'll get further, and eventually, probably sometime next week, week after, we'll get out to the coast before we're heading back up the hill. That'd be good. Especially if the weather's like this. So hopefully it'll hold out and we'll have nice weather. Fingers crossed. You might not be able to hear me, it's very windy. Running down the hill. I've gone barefoot today. Not actually barefoot, but barefoot shoes. And there's a bit of a traffic jam in the road ahead of me. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. But there's a few wee fellas got themselves out in the road. See if they can work out how to get back in. I can see how they got out. Can they work it out? I don't think they can. Right, they've gone past. So get in there. In there. No. Ah, they've gone the wrong way. They're trying to jump the wall. That's stupid. See if we get them on the way back. Day 5. It's amazing how quickly this mounts up. 5k today. And that brings me all the way down the hill into the village before I turn around and head back up the hill. So already we're getting quite some distance on. Yeah, the sheep got fixed yesterday. Farmer came and found them, put back in the field. That's good. And today it is so cold. And I'm so cold. My hands are cold. My face is numb. It's fun. That's what I keep telling myself. Day 7. I've made it out into the Southern Upland Way through the village, which is somewhere behind me, and then just about just about to go under the A1 and then past the railway, probably under the railway before I turn back. And I'm in danger of having a Paula Radcliffe moment. Poor Paula, poor me. But I think it's just a little bit too public. I'll have to wait till I get home. Just past today's halfway point. It's very windy. It's going to be in my face all the way home. I'm really not looking forward to it. At least my intestinal situation's a bit better today. It's amazing how far I'm getting home. You won't be able to hear any of this, I'm sure. Anyway, well, you can't see them, I'm going the wrong way. There you go. Wigwams, Cove Farm. When they open up again, I'm sure you could all come here on the holidays. Lovely. It's not usually this windy. Yes, it is. So windy. Windmills better suited to this than I am. I had to stop and walk there. Oh, come on. This is mental. Oh. As always, I have interesting day 11, and today's halfway point is halfway up this set of steps, which leads onto the Berkshire Coastal Path towards the church up there, I forget the name of it, St Helens, and Sycamore Point, which is very famous if you're a geography or geology nerd. And now I'm gonna head back all the way. Well, you can't see it from there, I'll turn around. I've got to go down this hill again, back up that other one behind me, amongst other hills. But I'll show you something. Well, I won't show you it because it's very far away, but I'll tell you about something on my way over there. Well, I was going to show you something, but there's so much weather out at sea that you wouldn't be able to see it anyway because it's very far away. But just about there, about to be engulfed by the storm, is a giant crane ship that's being used to prepare the way for building a massive offshore wind farm. And just about here, so you can't see it at all now, engulfed by that weather there, is one of the biggest ships ever built, and that's coming in to help start building the offshore wind farm, which will sit over there somewhere underneath all that horrible weather. I don't envy them their job. In some ways it sounds more exciting than mine, but at least I get to sit inside. Anyway, onward and upward, literally, up that hill and others to come. Day 11 again, still coming to the last 1.5k. So this is the furthest I've run in over a year because of my knees. My left knee gave out pretty spectacularly last January during a run. Don't know what I did, jarred it. I had physio, had an MRI scan, no idea what I'd done to it, but it was sore. And going up and down stairs was next to impossible. And I've spent the last year rehabilitating it, not really running. And this is a test to see what it'll stand up to. So 11 days, 1k increase a day. Today's 11k when I get home. Feeling not too bad. Generally tired because a lot of miles I'm not used to accumulated over the last 11 days. But it's good. We're still going. Feeling good. Tired, but good. And the knee's holding out. It's starting to, give the odd grumble every now and then, but not what it was. Just things to make me consider my pace, maybe slow down. Perhaps I won't do any more miles this week, this month. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. But it's all good. Good to be alive. Nearly home. Day 12, 12k, and this might be the last day of the accumulator in this form at least. Unfortunately, other things stop play tomorrow, so I'll not have the time I need to go out and do 13k. It's quite a long way, really. So this is the last one. Weather's beautiful, although the air is still really cold, but it's really warm in this bit. It's like a little sun trap boiling. But coming down the hill from the house was really cold. Anyway, it's been good. My knees have held up. I'm quite pleased with myself. I managed to get this far. Accumulated all these miles in 12 days. Fantastic, worth doing. So I might well do it again. But I've got other plans, and I'm going to be getting my bike out for something in June, hopefully. So I need to get riding my bike. So I'll let you know what goes on there. Happy days. Less than a kilometre to go, and that'll be me done. My 12k, and done for the thing. So, how am I feeling? Kind of tired, just generally tired. Having not really trained for this and started cold on 1k, I'm just tired. But other than that, I'm tight here and there. Not really terribly sore. I was more sore maybe about a week ago, a few days ago, and it seems to have eased off. But yeah, I'm just pleased that I managed to get this far without hurting myself. Obviously, nobody wants to hurt themselves, so, but with my knee history, it's always a bit, questionable. But it's been good. So I'm tired, but happy. Yeah, it's worth doing. I might do it again.